Welcome to my birthday video. So tomorrow is technically my birthday, July 13th, and I have compiled a list of different things that I can get for free on my birthday. Well, Crumble has recently opened. I opened an account today. I'm supposed to get a free cookie. Some of these things I can get only on my birthday and some the month of my birthday. So because there's so much on the list, I'm going to try to get a few tonight. So come along for this adventure. Okay, stop number one was a bit of a bust because they say that I don't actually get it until on my birthday. So I have to wait till tomorrow to see if something comes up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna walk down over here to Ulta, where I am definitely a rewards member, have been for years, and it's supposed to be good for the month of my birthday. So we're gonna go there next. Okay, so I was successful at Ulta. It turns out my email address they had wrong, and that's why I didn't get the email for it, but they looked it up and I got a free Redken product. It is an acidic bonding concentrate. So cool. All right. So I got one of my freebies for my birthday so far. By the way, I wanted to let you know that I'm finding most of the rewards, you have to sign up for their rewards program of the particular store. I will leave links to the different ones at the end of this video, so it's easy for you to see if you can, get onto their rewards, if not already. So I just went into Bath & Body Works. Now, Bath & Body Works app has a list of all the things that you get for free, and also sometimes 20% off. I have a 20% off coupon in there that I literally just forgot to use, but that's okay. I don't know if I was allowed to use it with this candle. So this candle was on sale for $5.95, and I really don't need another candle. However, they have the fall scents out. This one smells so good. It's the caramel pumpkin swirl. To me, it smells like something is baking in your house. So it doesn't have a specific pumpkin smell, but I love the fall scents, so I got that. So I did pay for that. My total was $6.40. This is what I got for free, but it's not my birthday surprise. This is a free bar soap. There was a lot for me to choose from. I almost got the gingham, which had like a strawberry flavor to it, but then I went up front to try the other ones, and this one, oh my gosh, this smells so good. This is the eucalyptus and lavender, so it'll be like a spa in my shower. So this was free as being part of the rewards program, but it's not my birthday reward. That's supposed to hit tomorrow. So I'm guessing as of midnight, a lot of my rewards will hit. So you have to check with the store as to whether or not you get it on your birthday or the month of. Ulta was the month of. So I'm going to be very busy tomorrow. Well, it's a little overcast for my birthday today, but that's okay. I'm not going to let it spoil the fun. Actually did some research last night, and look at all the free stuff that you can get on your birthday. I'm not going to get everything on the list because it would take me probably 8 hours, and I don't have 8 hours to spend because I'm still working with whatever projects come in. I already did one. So I'm going to run out and get some stuff done. I'm going to get breakfast and coffee first, and then I'm going to go and get some stuff that came in unexpectedly and expectedly, and you'll see what I get. All right, first birthday freebie, a coffee from Starbucks. Now I'm gonna go get some breakfast. So as I mentioned earlier, a lot of my freebies came in today's emails, and there was a $3 coupon for something at CVS. So I'm gonna look around and see what I might find for $3, or maybe, like a dollar over. I could actually use a new lipstick, but I don't know where I'll find. So let's see what we have. Okay, so the deal was $3 off, and I didn't find a lipstick, but I did find these. Now that my hair is shorter, I don't have any of these little clips, and this was $4.99, so I ended up paying only $1.07. So that was a great deal. All right, now I'm gonna go get some food. Okay, so if you do Einstein's Bagels, make sure you sign up ahead of time. Because I only signed up a few days ago because they switched from Caribou to Einstein's, I wasn't able to get the breakfast sandwich, the egg one, but that's fine because they gave me a free bagel with cream cheese. And even though it's actually 12:30. It's my first meal of the day. So this is my brunch, I guess. And I was going to go back up towards my house to get a bunch of stuff in a row. But I think since I'm already heading south, I'm gonna go get another reward that I wasn't expecting, but it should be a good one. So, all right, that's where we're going next. Hi, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So I'm here for my free prize.
Okay.
This next one wasn't free, and I totally forgot about it until I got the email. But this is normally a $30 tan. I'm only getting it for $10. I'm gonna give you a total of what I spent and what I saved today. So you get an idea, but I'm hoping to hit 100. We'll see if that happens. But I'm not going to tape this obviously because I'm going to be getting in there and fixing the messed up tan that I gave myself a few days ago. So you'll see me tanner next. All right, I made a quick stop home because I have some work to do before I go back out and get more swag. But I wanted to show you what I got so far because I can't leave it in my car because it'll get bad. And my husband might want some of this stuff. So I wanted to show you all the stuff before he bites into it. So you already saw the CVS one. I'm also going at the end, I'm going to show you what I spent and what everything is worth. And I'll figure that out at the end. So you can see I'm a little tanner. It was worth $30. I only paid $10. If you go to the tanning beds, that was free, but I don't do that. I've already had a basal cell taken off my ear, so I just do spray tans. So turn the camera around and I'll show you what I got. Okay, Krispy Kreme donuts. This is worth, I believe, about $13, $14. It's literally a dozen donuts. I mean, I'm already so full just from the bagel and the ice cream. Oh, by the way, I had Ben & Jerry's ice cream, which I did not document. It's on a short on my YouTube channel. So you'll have to go over and look at that over there, but it was quite yummy. Next up was Sephora. I chose the Dior perfume. This is actually a hard one to get, so I'm really glad I got this one. I was going to go to the mall and I forgot that there's a Sephora in Midtown area of Tampa. So that was my free swag there. At Buff City Soap, I did have to buy something in order to get the free birthday gift, but I already needed one of these because the one in my bathroom was falling apart. So this was only $2. And then I got the bath bomb for free. I chose the oatmeal honey one. I went to Jersey Mike's and got a tuna sub. So I just didn't even have to show anything. They didn't even ask to see my license. They just made me a sub. So I make earrings on my Etsy shop and I needed some new brushes. So this was $4.99 and the coupon was for $5. She even picked up the tax. So this was completely free. I also went to William D. Chocolatier and they don't have a reward for the birthday, but the girl gave me a chocolate anyway, which is now kind of melty because it was in my car. But always ask, you never know. Okay, so technically what I just got from Circle K is not part of the birthday reward. It's just part of their rewards program. So I got a Polar Pop. I actually fill it up. I get 5 of them for free, and I got my first one. I keep it in the refrigerator, and I mix it with unsweet iced tea. And then this was also free, so I got some candies to keep in the car for mints. And I will show you everything else that I got when I get home. Now, there was 29 things on the list. I think I got about half, and then I'm gonna have to figure out how much I saved versus how much I spent. So that'll be at the end. All right, here's the second half of my haul. I got this Publix cake absolutely free. The manager had to put it in the system, so just show them your ID. Firehouse subs, I just showed them my ID, a full sub. So that is lunch tomorrow, or my husband will eat it for lunch tomorrow. I got a full burrito and chips from Moe's. All I needed to do was show my ID, and they input it in the system, and now I'm in the system for next year for the rewards. Bundt Cakes, didn't ask for anything, just gave me a free Bundt cake. I used my rewards for this one for Panera bread, so you do need rewards for Panera bread. And yeah, that's a lot. So out of 29 freebies that I could possibly have gotten, I went out today and got 18 of them. Now, I did include the Bath & Body Works from yesterday, and I did include the Circle K, which technically isn't birthday, but if you sign up for the rewards, you get a lot of stuff for free. A few of them I think are still good after my birthday. Like, I didn't get to go to the mall, and I have a Hot Topic coupon for $5 waiting for me there. And I also have some rewards that came in today for Wawa, and they're good until the end of the month. So the other ones that I did not do because they were in the wrong direction and I just didn't have the time for it was Crumble, Kohl's, Denny's, McDonald's, Sprinkles is way down in South Tampa, A&W, Baskin Robbins, because I already had ice cream, and Planet Smoothie. But all the other ones I did and got. So next is to add up all the stuff I got for free and how much I spent to get the value of what I got today. All right, I'm back after a lovely birthday dinner out with the Hubs. I went ahead and figured out exactly how much everything cost retail and how much money I spent. So I only paid for the CVS hair things, the loofah for $2 at Buff City, and $10 for the spray tan. So I spent a total of $13.07, and the total worth of everything is $147.73. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. So the top 3 deals were the tan that was worth $30 and I only paid $10 for. The Sephora gift was worth $17.55, absolutely free. And the dozen donuts from Krispy Kreme were $13.49. So it was a really fun day. So if you take the day off on your birthday and you're willing to go around to all these places and get your swag, it's worth it. It is best to plan it around where everything is located. I didn't hit some because one was in one direction, one was in the other direction. I had to make it home in time to go to dinner. I also was working throughout the day also, so I had to come back and forth for that. But I could have gotten more, but I didn't have time. I'm happy with it. It was like a lot of fun. We don't have to go out and buy lunches and possibly not even dinners for the next day because of all the subs and the burrito. And there's 2 of us, and we'll easily eat that. And then there's desserts for a family get-together on Saturday. So, yay. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up and the bell notification when you want to get alerts of when I upload. This was a different type of video, but I thought it would be fun. And who doesn't like free stuff on your birthday? I mean, come on. And I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.